Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Rural Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new 4K dash cam. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and actually check it out. Nowadays it's just nice to have one of these in your car. User manual for it. So like little instructions to like mount it. Well, that's nice. This is the actual dash cam itself. It's a nice little display on there. And as you can see, camera here, and then camera here. That's freaking cool. You also do get a backup camera for it. Here is the Type-C to cigarette lighter option to power it on. Extra adhesive. Just like to peel it off if need be. So let's go ahead and actually get this going. So let's actually go to the truck and actually test it out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and actually turn it on for the first time. We're going to go ahead and remove these. And we'll go ahead and plug it in. Plug that in just like so. Check out that display. There we go. It does come with a 64 gigabyte SD card, so I'm gonna go ahead and format it. Okay. You got your buttons down here, power, mode, and then different arrows, and then the OK. And then check that out. That's freaking sick. You can already see 3 of the 4 options. And the way to connect this one is it literally just goes right here. And then we'll run it to the back. But you should be able to see all of them now. There we go. Check that out. You got all 4 options right there. So you can see the sides, you can see the back, and then you can see in front of you. So super cool, super easy. I like the display right there that you can just see right here. And the way to install these is super simple. It's got the adhesive right here like I had showed earlier. So all you got to do is stick it on there and then you are good to go. So let's go ahead, put it on there, and then we're going to go ahead and take it for a drive and see how it looks. Alright, and then now that we do have it up, I do want to show a couple things on here. So you have loop recording, time-lapse time, recording audio, G-sensor, parking guard, date stamp, back mirror, left mirror, right mirror, license, screensavers, key voice, the speaker. But one thing that I did want to show is you can also hook up your phone to it so you could see the recorded video aside from just having it on the SD card. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK on here. And as you can see, it generates a QR code and information, which I already downloaded. It's the Viidure app. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add camera right on here. Alright, and then it looks like it's connecting. Alright, looks like we are good. So we'll go back to the application, connecting. Looks like it should be bringing up our display right there. There we go. So now we can see all the video feed directly on our phones using this application. You can download the videos or anything that you may need there. Right, and then if we hit this button right here on our app, so you can see it'll switch through the different cameras on there. So you can see, super cool, super simple, ready to use. So let's go and actually test it out and see how it looks. All right, and this is what it looks like once you stick it on. Again, you can put it wherever you like. I think this is going to be the best option, but this does move forward and back, so just to give you an idea. So super easy, like I said, it's just an adhesive. Same thing with the camera that goes in the back. It's just an adhesive, just stick it on wherever you like. And the cable is pretty long, so you have plenty of cable to work with. So now let's go ahead and actually test it out. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new dash cam, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I get yours. Highly recommend.